In 4 days' time, on September 1st, a whole new list of laws will go into effect here in the state of Texas. Andrea Lucia is taking a closer look at some of them, all new at 10 o'clock.
At the Oak Highlands Brewery in Dallas, a fridge labeled beer to go sits wrapped in chains.
This was my political statement to say that this is silly.
Breweries like this one that produce beer sold in grocery stores, bars, and restaurants have been barred by Texas law from selling their own product to customers wanting to take it home.
You can walk into a winery and buy wine to go. You can walk into a distillery and buy distilled spirits to go. But you couldn't walk into a production brewery and buy beer to go.
That is about to change.
Come Sunday, September 1st, this lock will be open, the chains will be broken, and we will sell beer to go for the first time in Texas history.
Brad Mall says instead of relying on what they can find elsewhere, customers will now be able to come in and shop from a brewer's full range of offerings. Where do you have your cough syrup now?
We have it right here.
The Texas Star Pharmacy in Plano will, in contrast, be locking away some of its products.
You have to have a staff member open it for you.
A new law forbids selling dextromethorphan to anyone under the age of 18.
It's the active ingredient in most over-the-counter cough suppressants, whether it comes in syrup form or in a capsule. One product you won't find it in are cough drops.
A study by the National Institute on Drug Abuse found as many as 3% of high school seniors have used the drug to get high. So next time you're looking to treat a cough, remember your ID.
So we'll be carding everyone that buys it.
Well, this clock is counting down the seconds until these new laws take effect. And by the way, if you want to pick up some beer before noon on a Sunday, breweries will be the only place now where you can do so. They will be allowed to start selling at 10 o'clock in the morning, and that is when the party will get started here at Oak Highlands and at breweries across the state this Sunday to celebrate the change in the law. Reporting live in Lake Highlands, Andrea Lucia, CBS 11 News.